After the video starts, I just want after the video starts, I just want to ask you that subscribe to all the YouTubers and subscribe to 5 okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want you to subscribe 6 YouTubers that won, and I subscribe to. And we'll start the video now. Jeffy in a tornado. Guys! I hear something! Guys! You what? Fine. Get in trouble. Get grounded. That's all. You what, guys? Get in trouble. Get grounded. That's all. You get grounded? That's good. Sorry, guys. Let's start the video. SMO Jeffy. Oh, man. Where's my house? House. Okay, we're in. Smell Mario. I hear something! Sorry guys, let's go back to the video. Alright, Jeffy. Let's go watch TV. Okay, Daddy. TV. Tornado. TV tornado. Don. Home. The Natural Weather Service has spawned in a tornado. Go to your basement. If you don't have a basement, go into closets or restroom. That's all for to hide. Jeffy, we got a tornado! What? How? You see the TV? Let's go to our basement. Well, we cannot. We don't have a basement. But don't worry, I built it. Well, I hear something. Alright, we're in now. Okay, we're in the basement. Basement. When they went to the basement. Alright, we're in the basement. Now let's take shelter. Now let's watch the TV. Back to the TV of a tornado. Oh no, the tornado started. Don't know what to started. After the tornado. Jeffy, just chill out. Just survive, and hopefully nothing happens.
No, ahí hay una abierta, mire. Ahí hay una abierta. No.
Alright, the tornado's gone. Jeffy, now we're saved. Mom, I don't want to eat my food.
You? Tomorrow you're not playing. Esa comida ya está fría. Have to heat it up. But tomorrow no food for you.
Fine, okay. How do I heat it up? But you heat it up with this ketchup.